So hello students. So as you have understood how to find cube roots of natural numbers, हम similarly cube roots of decimal numbers भी find कर सकते हैं. For example, if you are asked to find the cube root of 0.216, 9.261, ऐसा decimal numbers का cube roots find करने का question दिया तो. So if you are asked to find cube root of 0.216, ऐसा. So the simple technique is you can just convert these decimal numbers into fractions and fractions का cube roots आप निकाल सकते हैं. So as you already have the formulas, cube root of a by b is the cube root of a divided by cube root of b. You know how to find cube roots of fractions. So whenever you have decimal numbers, simply what you need to do is you need to convert these decimal numbers into fractions. So 0.216 is nothing but 216 divided by 1000, which is nothing but cube root of 216 divided by cube root of 1000, which is equal to cube root of 216 is 6, cube root of 1000 is 10, simply 0.6 हो गया. So cube root of 0.216 is 0.6. You want cube root of 9.261. This is nothing but cube root of 9261 divided by 1000, which is equal to cube root of 9261 divided by cube root of 1000. So cube root of 1000 तो 10 है, आपको पता है. So cube root of 9261 जो है आप चाहिए तो प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन से निकाल सकते या रफ एस्टिमेशन से निकाल सकते हैं. If you are sure that this is a perfect cube. So question के हिसाब से you can think that this is a perfect cube. शायद mostly perfect cube होना चाहिए. So estimation method से आप grouping कर लीजिए. So 261 लास्ट में 1 है, इसका मतलब क्यूब रूट में भी लास्ट में 1 होगा. 9 is in between 2 cube and 3 cube. 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27. 8 and 27 के बीच में है. So 21, which is 2.1 simply. Third, cube root of 0.003375 is nothing but cube root of 3375 divided by 10 power 6, right? That is equal to cube root of 3375 divided by cube root of 10 power 6. So 10 power 6 का cube root, ठीक है, क्योंकि cube root is the power 1/3. जैसा square root अगर exponential form में लिखा तो power 1/2 होगा. We have learned this in square roots. Square root of a can be written as a power half. Similarly, cube root of a को आप a power 1/3 लिख सकते हैं. So 3375 का cube root क्या है? लास्ट में 5 आएगा क्योंकि last digit is 5. 3 is in between 1 cube and 2 cube. So simply 15/10 square. This is 10 power 6 whole power 1/3 हो जाएगा, 10 square हो जाएगा. So 0.15 is the answer. So similarly, cube root of this is, so cube root of 19683 divided by 1000. So नीचे 10 आएगा. So इसको अब ग्रुपिंग किया तो लास्ट में 3 आया. So क्यूब रूट में लास्ट में 7 आएगा. And 19 is in between 2 cube and 3 cube. 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27. बीच में है. So 27/10, which is 2.7. So in this manner, you can find cube roots of fractions. Next, if you have questions like this, cube root of 5112 into 729 minus 1331 into 3375. So आप ऐसा cube roots को you can use the formula cube root of AB is equal to cube root of A into cube root of B. So cube root of 512 into 729 is cube root of 512 into cube root of 729. So 512 का cube root 8 है. 729 का क्यूब रूट 9 है, सो 72 इज द क्यूब रूट ऑफ दिस. नेक्स्ट, एक नेगेटिव नंबर है, एक पॉजिटिव नंबर है, सो इफेक्टिवली दिस इज ए नेगेटिव नंबर, सो एक माइनस बाहर आ जाएगा. क्यूब रूट ऑफ 1331 इंटू क्यूब रूट ऑफ 3375, सो माइनस ऑफ 1331 का क्यूब रूट 11 है, 3375 का अभी हम कैलकुलेट किया है. द क्यूब रूट ऑफ 3375 is simply 15. So 11 into 15, 165 negative. So cube root of this into this is minus 165. Is it clear? अगर next question गया तो volume of a cube is 5832 meter cube. What is the length of this side? Again simple question. Let the length be a meters. Let the length be a meters. So we have a cube of side length which is a. So मेरा equation क्या है? Volume is given as 5832 meter cube. इसका मतलब है what is the volume of a cube? Formula is a cube is equal to 5832 होना चाहिए. A cube meter cube is 5832 meter cube. So A कितना होना चाहिए? 5832. Right? This implies A is nothing but cube root of 5832. Okay, इसका क्यूब रूट निकालना है. एक बार प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन से भी करेंगे थोड़ा सा प्रैक्टिस. So 2 2s are 9s are 1s are 6s are 2 1 4 5 8 2 7 2 9. So 729 is 9 cube, right? So 5832 is nothing but 2 cube into 9 cube or 3 power 6. That is equal to 2 into 9 whole cube or 18 cube, right? So cube root of 5832 is 18. So this implies length of side of cube is equal to 18 meters. अगर वॉल्यूम 5832 है तो लेंथ 18 meters होना चाहिए. Next, three numbers are in the ratio 1:2:3. Sum of their cubes is 7776. Find the numbers. So ratio 1:2:3 है. So can I say that let the numbers be x, 2x and 3x respectively. So according to the problem, x cube plus 2x का whole cube plus 3x का whole cube, sum of their cubes, ये तीनों का cubes करके sum किया तो 7776 आ रहे. इसका मतलब क्या है? x cube plus 2x whole cube को क्या लिख सकते हैं? 2 cube into x cube which is 8x cube. 3x whole cube is 3 cube into x cube, 27x cube is equal to 7776. This implies 28 plus 8, 36x cube is equal to 7776. So x cube is equal to 7776 divided by 36. So 6 6 are 6 1s are 6, 17, 6 2s are 12, 57, 6 8s are 6, 57, 6 9s are 54, 6 are, and again 6 से आप cancel किया तो 216. So x cube is 216. So x is equal to cube root of 216 which is equal to 6. So x 6 होना चाहिए. So the numbers are 6. 2 into 6 is 12. 3 into 6 is 18. So 6, 12 and 18 are the numbers. Clear? Last question that we are going to see is the difference of two perfect cubes is 387. If the cube root of the greater of the two numbers is 8, if the cube root of the greater of the two numbers is 8, the cube root of the smaller number. So let the two perfect cubes be x and y. And let us say that x is greater than y. जो बड़ा number है वो x है, छोटा number जो है y. So according to the problem, what is the first information? The difference of the two perfect cubes is 387. इसका मतलब x cube minus y cube. Sorry. दो perfect cubes को भी हम x and y माने हैं. So x minus y is 387. If the cube root of the greater of the two numbers is 8, इसका मतलब है x is the greater one. Cube root of x दिया है 8 है. You're asked to find the cube root of the smaller number. Cube root of y is equal to how much? This is the question. So cube root of x अगर 8 है तो x is 8 cube. 8 cube कितना है? 512. So this implies if you substitute this here, 512 minus y is equal to 387. So y is equal to 512 minus 387, right? Which is 125. So y is 125. This implies y is equal to 5 cube. So what is cube root of y? Is 5. इसका मतलब what is the cube root of the smaller number? The answer is 5. The smaller number is 125 and the cube root of the smaller number is 5. That's the answer to this question. So I hope you understand the basic concepts of this chapter. So now is the time for you to go to exercise and solve the questions. So if you have any doubt, you can come back to us. Thank you.